Hey guys, Jhon here, and today we are going to Universal Studios Singapore. Universal Studios Singapore is part of Resorts World Sentosa. You have 4 options to go to Universal Studios Singapore after you get off at Harbourfront MRT station. The luxury way of going to Resorts World Sentosa is by taking the Singapore cable car, and the round trip cost is 24.50 Singapore dollars. The second option is to go to VivoCity 3rd floor and take Sentosa Express monorail and alight at the waterfront station. The round trip cost 4 Singapore dollars. Another option is to take the RWS 8 bus. In VivoCity Level 1, look and follow the signs going to the bus terminal and wait for the RWS 8 bus. One-way cost is only 1 Singapore dollar. And lastly, the option that I always choose going there is via Sentosa Boardwalk. It is free and sheltered walkway going to Resorts World Sentosa, and you can see a nice view while you are walking there. If you have already bought tickets online, grab the obligatory photos with the Universal Globe. If you want to have less likely to be photobombed, come early, even an hour before park opens. The usual price of entrance ticket for the park is 76 SGD, but you can find promotions online. Singapore's weather is hot and humid. It's best to wear light, breathable clothing. Wear comfortable shoes because you'll be walking around a lot. Any day of the year is a good time to visit Universal Studios, but if you want to avoid crowds, take note that the park is busiest on the weekends and during March, June, September, and December school holidays. The trade-off of going on a weekday is that you might miss the Hollywood Dreams Light Up Parade and the fireworks spectacular.
still meet with the utmost confidence.
They are also offering an express passes, 30 SGD for only one time at each participating attraction, and 50 SGD for unlimited express access at each participating attraction.
So anything, you just pick anything, cyclone or human, and then just need to put your finger here again. And then so after pre-rental, free of charge ng 70 minutes. So after nyan, kapag lumagpas ka dyan is $4 na yung babayaran mo. So $2 for each 20 minutes. C276. C276 is here. I'm gonna put my things here. The phone cannot. Hindi pwede yan dalhin. Lahat hindi pwedeng dalhin. I'll be back. Back. So guys, I'm done. So it was fun, really. Gusto ko talaga yan. That's a good thing about raining here in Universal Studio. Sabi nila doon 5 minutes waiting, so it's not even 5 minutes waiting. I think 3 minutes. And then nakapasok na agad ako, then natapos na agad ako. So it's really fun, it's really exciting to ride this Galactica. So I just tried the Cyclone at the human. So I think I'm done with that because I have rode it for how many times already. Mas madali, mas maganda. I suggest, no, na sabi niyo umuulan, syempre hindi yung mga sakay. Pero kung gusto niyo talaga, na talagang masakyan ninyo lahat ng mga rides dito, i-timing niyo na medyo umuulan yung pahinto na. Hintayin niyo huminto, balik kayo sa pila, ang bilis lang. Talaga. Okay, so try naman natin dito sa Mami. I'm sure may kailang pinipila dito. 5 minutes. I think it's not even 5 minutes. I think it's 1 minute to try it.
It's a pet.